Zuma here and you're watching the life of Zzzz. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make strawberry delight with jelly and custard. So let me tell you guys what you'll need for this. Strawberry dessert, you will need some fresh strawberries, some fresh cream, some sugar, strawberry jelly, and custard. I'm using vanilla custard, but you guys can use any custard you like. Don't forget the milk. So let me show you guys step by step how to make this. Now we are going to prepare the strawberry jelly. I'm using 2 packets because I'm making 6 cups of the strawberry delight, and this will need 4 cups of water and 800 ml of water. So I'm going to put that in, and when it starts boiling I am going to take that off the stove. Oh, it smells so nice. And you are going to just mix it. Now we are going to just cook this for 5 minutes. We have gotten the jelly off the stove and it's ready. Now we are going to put this into the cups, but I have chosen cups, but you guys can also choose bowls or anything like that. We have cooling this down so that it doesn't burn down. And I'm starting to put one thing in each, but I might, yeah, I have some left, so I'm going to put 2. And if you have leftover jelly, you can also get another container and leave it for the decoration. It doesn't matter if you're messy like me. So now I have got some leftover, so I'm going to put that into this container for the decoration. I might cut it into little pieces. Now we are going to take this down to the fridge and leave it there to cool down, and meanwhile I'm going to teach you guys how to make custard. Now for the custard, we'll need 1 liter of milk, so this is half a liter. And here is the other half of the liter. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar into the pan. And we are going to stir this. Milk has reached its boiling point. We are going to get warm water, 3 spoons of warm water, and put it in a cup. Then we will add 2 spoons of custard powder into this, and we are going to stir this and add it to the milk. Then we are going to cook that for 2 minutes and stir it, and then we will take it off and show you guys. The custard is ready, and we are going to turn the stove off and let this cool down. While the custard is cooling down, we are going to prepare the cream. We are going to whisk this. We are going to whisk this. We've got a whisker here, and we are just going to whip this. It's quite messy. So our cream is now ready. Jelly is cooled down in the cups, and our custard is cooled down over here. I have cut up my strawberries for the decoration, and my cream is in here, so I'll squeeze it out and put it on. First I'm going to do the jellies there, then I'm going to add a layer of cream, then I'm going to add a layer of custard, and then cream, and then... So now we've layered the stuff, And we've got the strawberries, and you can decorate it however you like. Strawberry delight with jelly and custard is now ready. We are going to cool this down in the fridge for a few minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve. This is a really quick and easy recipe, so you guys should try this too. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that like button if you want more recipes. Hit that notification bell after subscribing down below, and bye!